Good afternoon, guys. Today we're just grinding down some Terrazzo Floors to start restoring them. So I'll show you guys what we got going on. Put another house in the water this afternoon. We're grinding down all into this area. All the dust going into the extractor bag. Down this Terrazzo right now. Grinding it down and bring the honing stage back up. For a polished look. See the propane tank leaking a little bit. How cold the propane's got. So I'll have to hang grind these areas and around the sides. See how he lines up. Overlapping ever so slightly. Over here on this side, I'll show you where they've hand grinded already. You're really close to the walls, but we'll put baseboards in here too, but you see how close we got even on this side. But our grinder only gets so close, the big grinder only gets so close, so get the little grinder, the 9-inch and the 5-inch, just get up in here, get all the way around. Just mowing down this Terrazzo. Either later tonight or tomorrow morning we'll end up putting the top coat on and make this floor look shiny. As close to the wall as you can, so that way it's less work hand grinding, but it'll make its way back. Very boring, but important, tedious process. On the next pass, just one pass at a time. One or two more passes on this side, then we can move on to the closet. Got one more grind, and this floor should be completed before our top coat. Last little bit, we'll hit the closet. Good grinder for a little room. Change our diamonds, but see how good it got in here. Kind of get in the corner because the grinder's all big for this room, but a lot less hand grinding we have to do. But get old tacky yellow out. Bring back a brand new slab. Brand new slab from the 80s. Maybe before that. I don't know how old this house is. But it looks really good. Turn our vacuum off. Touches everything. See how much dust we got in here. This is all the dust that comes out from the hose. Ooh, see all that just drop out. So we got about good, I would say 70 pounds, 65 pounds of dust right here. Thanks for watching part one. Stay tuned for the next one. Gotta grab some more propane.